Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to highlight text in Lucidchart. All right. While we don't have the direct highlighting option right here in the Lucidchart website, all right, but there are multiple workarounds. Now, for example, highlighting, if you meant like just double clicking on the text itself, it is highlighted. Now you're just good to go. Now, if you wanted to make this text pop out, all right, for example, we wanted to add a colored highlight right here at the background of the text. So just go ahead and add in some shapes. All right. For example, this oval shape right here, I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it just like that. And I'm going to make it bigger. Okay. Now I'm going to delete the text, double click and hit on delete. Now click on the shape itself once more, right click on it and go ahead and hover your mouse into a range and then click on send item backward, just like that. Okay. Now we're going to change the color. As you can see here, the text is white and the shape is white. Let's just go ahead and change the background color or the shape color. All right. To do so, go ahead and go to this fill color button right here. Click on it. Now, for example, I'm going to use this color. All right. Just like that. And it's now highlighted. Okay. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.